What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Hope you're all having a good week. We're just plugging along here at the shop. I've got this 2002. I am putting a new link monsoon in. We've got a charger over here. We are putting a cam MDS delete in. And obviously, the vet, which we're just trying to get wired, plumbed, and everything. I am currently, I've got the front end back on the car. Well, kind of. I've got fenders, the inner fenders hanging. I've got a couple other things done. I mounted my vacuum block for all of my boost pressure inputs. My MAC valve's mounted, and got my power steering pump back on as well. So because I'm measuring out my harnesses so I can start pulling some wire and start getting everything taped up to go in the car so I can terminate it. So we're working on now. I've got my notes here. Ignore my amazing handwriting. And by amazing, I mean it's horrible. I am currently working under the dash right now, trying to get measurements as to cam wire locations, stuff like that. I've got to run some wires over there. But yeah, just plugging along on this stuff. So probably not going to be a super interesting video. Not really a whole lot to show, but yeah, just kind of measuring out everything, getting everything ready to go in. So stay tuned. We'll see how far we get. Alrighty, so I've got everything all measured for the breakouts and everything. So I got to start building the wiring harness. My buddy CJ, I'm going to cover the color of the control arms. My buddy CJ is pressing the bearings back into the control arms and stuff. Go check out his channel. He's got a pretty cool channel. Does a bunch of drifting and stuff, so I'll tag him in it. But yeah, I'm just getting ready to start building the harness and see how far we get today. Alrighty, so I've got most of the front wiring harness all done. It's loomed, it's shrink tubed. I've got it spiral wrapped over here and ready to go through the firewall and to the PDM. I've got to tie in other harnesses into it down here, so I can't loom any of that yet, but that's done. CJ did get the front suspension all set, so you can see the color, it's cool. But yeah, I'm moving on. I've got some wire over there pulled, on the weld bench pulled, that I've got to add to for kind of the dash harness essentially. But yeah, moving around. So CJ also got a couple of my dry sump hoses done, so I've got to get a couple of brackets built for those, but we're moving right along. It's we're getting there. All right, so I got a bunch of the main dash harness done. This is my throttle pedal. This goes up to my e-stop. This is my wiper. So hopefully all these links are right. I've got to put this in, get it kind of just terminated in the right area, make sure that everything's good, and yeah. This wire here is running to the rear PDM. I still got to add some wires to this section, that section back there for other stuff, but yeah, this harness is getting done. Alrighty, so obviously I haven't been recording a lot because there's just not a lot to record. I've got a bunch of wiring done. Still looks like a disaster. So there's literally, it's the most boring thing. I'm so done with wiring. Probably tell by the way my facial expressions are. It's also like midnight on a Sunday, and I go to work in the morning, so I still haven't even cleaned any of this up. I've got vehicles, another customer car. This thing is gonna be a project. Still got the Beamer, still got a bunch of other stuff here. So tomorrow's gonna be a rush day for sure. But I'm done for tonight. A buddy of mine, Bill, came over today. He gave me a hand. He got the heat exchanger back in its home. It's the fan shroud's all sealed. The fan is all sealed. He got a couple of coolant lines done. He got the lower radiator hose from the pump to my coolant tube, and then he got the lower coolant hose from the ice chest to the water pump done as well. My son ended up this weekend, he got the fan shroud fan all sealed up, and we got the radiator back in the car, got the ice chest back in the car as well. So really stoked on that. He did a good job. He also made this battery cable, so smart little 12-year-old, and stoked that he's wanting to help out now too, so that's really cool. But yeah, I've got a lot of wiring done. All the PDM, this PDM wiring is all terminated here. I've just got to pin it into the connector. I got to cut some wires back and then split it to two 18 gauges to go into 2 different pins. Just 4 of those need to get done. The rest is all here. I've started getting the connectors to tie into the link harness that was all terminated. I started getting those pinned in. That's all controlling stuff in the back of the car, my fuel pumps, my fans, all that stuff that kind of just turns it on. And then these wires are other sensors and stuff. So still a lot to wire in, but I think I've got a good majority of it done. Pretty stoked. So I don't know how long this video is going to be. Probably won't be very long. I'm going to edit it and we'll see basically what I got. If not, maybe we'll sit down and have a conversation. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. I really appreciate you tuning in. I'm hoping you're enjoying the videos. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a video next week. It's a kind of a mad dash to get this thing wrapped up. I've got Turbo Mike coming up here on the 14th to get this thing all programmed. So all the PDMs programmed to the ECM, get a tune in the ECM, get the network to recognize the power steering pump, get all my accessories programmed to my button pad, get everything to work. So he's coming up for this. He's also coming up to program and tune this. So I don't know if I'm going to have a video next week, but I hope if I do, hopefully I've got some good progress updates, but I may not. The next time you may see the car, it may be going to get wrapped. So you may be hearing it fire, you may be hearing it, all kinds of stuff. So we'll see where it's at. I appreciate you tuning in, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.